Yeah. Now is my time. Now is my
Merry Christmas,
time.
everyone, or Happy Holidays, because you know it's 2018 and people celebrate whatever they want nowadays. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought myself for Christmas, and it varies from a lot of stuff, from shoes to clothes to accessories. And I'll start off with the accessories. Well, I'm not gonna keep this on the whole video, but you catch the drift. The first thing I bought myself to start off my little basketball collection is this Bathing Ape and Spalding. This is from the Bape NBA collab. I bought myself the basketball because along with this basketball, I also have the FTP basketball that they dropped a couple drops back. I forgot what collection it was called, if it even had a name. This is another ball in my collection. And then the third ball in my collection is this VLone and Nike collab that they did a while back, along when they released the shoes and a bunch of other like accessories in that capsule. But yeah, all I need right now is a Supreme's Gons basketball, and hopefully I'll have that before the next Christmas. But I'll keep going on with the accessories that I bought. Kanye West, as you guys all know, is one of my favorite people like in the world, and he's actually an amazing designer. These socks right here are going for like over $60 on StockX right now, and these colorways are beautiful. Here, I'll bring them into the camera. The black colorway and that blue, and then this tannish one. These socks were so beautiful that for Christmas I had to double up. I got them both for retail. I'm actually under retail. They were on sale for like $15 with free shipping, and that's great. There's more socks on the website. They don't look anything like this. These are definitely the best socks they released thus far, and I definitely recommend these. They're very soft and they're very low-key. They say Calabasas on them. I recommend them. And now on the table, I have the last bit of accessories that I caught. This is the Moet and Virgil Abloh champagne. Well, Moet and Chandon. Apparently this tastes like absolute garbage, but I wouldn't know because I'm not going to drink this. But yeah, just a cool accessory that I bought myself. And then these three are all items from FTP. We'll start off with the smallest one. It's a cute little Rubik's Cube, and then the black has FTP embossed all over it. It's extremely cool. Kind of smaller than a regular Rubik's Cube, but you know, this is kind of like an impulse buy. And so were these other two items. I'll start off by this, because I have a story for that last one. How good it is. This is the We Don't Give a Fuck puzzle. I just thought this would be very sick hanging up on my wall as like a little, if I framed it or whatever, hanging on my wall next to my Charles Manson and FTP black skateboard, since it has a black and white aesthetic. But this little poster too, I can even this out and then it could also fit up there. So that's actually pretty sick. I don't know what this extra stuff is. Yeah, this poster can go up there too. And then this was an accidental buy. I swear to God, like I was just trying to check it out because it looks so unique, and I accidentally added it to my cart, and then checked out with everything else that was in it because I was afraid to lose everything else in my cart. Yeah, I swear to you guys, I have no need for this sledgehammer. It's way smaller than I thought. But this is an accidental buy. Everyone laughed at me when I told them that. But I don't know, I guess this would be kind of cool to hang up. It's like, it has some weight to it. Definitely like a pound up there or something, but cool FTP logo on it. But I have no need for this. I seriously do not want this, but shipping this would be extremely difficult. It's definitely going to cost some money since it has some weight on it. So I guess it's going to have to stay here. And I believe that does it for the accessories. Up next is the shoes, and that's coming right up. It's kind of a lot right here, but we'll start in high order. So this should be an accessory, but this is still the shoe nonetheless. So as you can see, off-white on the box, Nike swoosh, and then the size is 6C. I won another empty gallery raffle for the off-white Bolt Air Force Ones. When I first thought I won my size, but then when I read the email again, I realized that I won these little baby joints. Resale up for these were up to 300 when I first got them, and now resale is like down to 100. A little bit of a blow, but I mean, I guess I can just hang up in my rearview mirror in my car, and that's a nice, you know, obstruction of view ticket waiting for me. But these shoes are cute nonetheless. I'll show some B-roll footage of those, of everything that I copped actually, just in case I'm going way too fast for the video. And then second, we'll show off the, you know, the worst sneaker in here. Still not a bad sneaker overall though. It's the Fear of God, PacSun, and Converse collaboration. This is the, you know, just a part of the Essentials collection. Yeah, you know, it's a decent shoe. Fuck PacSun for their shipping and their shitty quality control for messing up the box. The shoe came in a couple days late from estimated arrival time, and I'm definitely going to be asking for a refund on these because I can't even sell them on StockX. That's how damaged the box is. But yeah, still a cool shoe. It's not even reselling for much. Retail was like 110 on this. Retail for the Air Force, the baby one, was like $65. So yeah, that's shoe number 2. Shoe number 3 I've had for a while, but I realized that I couldn't keep them for myself because my girlfriend won the sneakers app raffle for these, but they don't fit me because we went for my normal size 10, and these fit extremely tight. I'd recommend going definitely a full size up, half size, you know, if you like want to play it safe, but these went extremely small. It's just, but they're beautiful pink off-white shoes. The Zoom Flies, like everyone's least favorites from the collection are the Zoom Flies from the original 10, because these barely resell for anything, but this is still a cool shoe. You know, it just gets me one step closer to finishing my 10, having all 10 silhouettes in my collection. But then this box right here, a lot of you guys probably don't know what this is yet, but I'll have B-roll footage from another video that I was recording for this sneaker. But this sneaker has a lot of hype around it. The resale is crazy on this right now, but so is the retail. Retail was $350. Comes with a dust bag, comes with extra shoelaces. And then it even comes in this crazy protection layer. This is the Air Fear of God ones. It's a collaboration that Jerry Lorenzo has with Nike. It's a beautiful basketball sneaker. Crazy details on this. I said it again, retail is $350. I won't take out both sneakers because I'll have B-roll footage like showing it. But yeah, this is a very beautiful sneaker. This is a sneaker that every collector should have in their collection. I'm glad I was able to get it for retail. This is my first win off the Nike sneakers app on my own account. But yeah, that does it for sneakers. Next portion of the video will be all clothing, and I have a little more clothing than I have everything else. But then, you know, you guys just have to wait and see. And then this is the last portion of the video. This is all the clothes that I got myself for Christmas. Out of this I had for a while, but I never showed it up on YouTube, so I guess I would consider it for Christmas. This is one of the first pieces up here. This is an FTP and Foul Play hoodie in a cold, I forgot what color it was, but I'll definitely put it up on the screen. This says FTP back there with Foul Play inside the FTP letters. Pretty sick graphic. I think I'll put this back up here. And then I got the same thing in a black shirt because I mess with Foul Play heavy. I've been messing with that brand for a long time. I even have some of the OG pieces that they released, that Adam released. Yeah, very sick. Very glad to have it. This dropped a while back, but I still haven't even worn it. Like, it's dead stock, all that stuff. And then last couple FTP items, or this is the last FTP item. This was the least favorite out of the 2 jeans that dropped that collection, but those light blue jeans with the FTP all over print on it was way too loud for me. Like, I love FTP as a brand, but personally I'm getting sick and tired of the all over print, and I don't want to be walking around like a walking billboard. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, but these are black FTP all over print pants. Extremely sick. On the blue pair and on this black pair, the FTP all over won't show up until you wash the jeans. But me personally, I do not wash my jeans, so maybe like when it rains and I wear them, it'll start showing. But it needs to be washed away in order for the all over print to show, which is actually pretty sick. So I'm not walking around like a walking billboard just yet, up until I get these pants washed. But honestly, the quality on this is way better than the last couple of years. Very excited to own these. It's crazy because resale on like the light blue jeans is insane, and like this colorway was nowhere near our sight, but they both sold out pretty fast. This next item, my boy Lucas caught for me a while back when like this dropped, which is like back in October, but I never wore it. This is a V-Lone shirt from the DC pop-up. Extremely sick. It has like this very light or dark, no, it's more like a light gray, like very faded gray, or like very, very, very faded blue. V-Lone on it, and good news for those of you guys that care, it's not gilded anymore. This is definitely cut and sew, because you can see that on that cut right there. Extremely sick shirt. V-Lone is definitely getting back like on that hype wave. So for those of you that plan on copping, I would do it now while everything's still kind of cheap on the resale market. And the last 2 items are the best items in my opinion, so I saved them for last. This is a package from Burma, or this is a brand that I really love. Very, very underrated. Jordan is the owner of it, or he made the brand. He was born and raised in New Jersey. Very sick guy, very sick ideas. I bought this from the Black Friday sale that he had. Black Friday was like basically a month ago, but I never opened the shirt, as you can see. I did a very sick print on it. I'm gonna open it just for the personal. But just a black t-shirt, and the print says "No sympathy for this devil." Extremely sick, XL. I believe the t-shirt was like $10, and that's an amazing steal. And it's a collaboration with Foul Play, just like the previous like black shirt and red hoodie that I showed you that's behind me. This is extremely sick. 2 of my favorite brands collaborated. 2 very underrated brands collaborated. Ooh, sorry about that fold. That was embarrassing. Yeah, can't wait to wear this shirt. It's all black shirt. That sticks out completely. For this last Hype Beastie unboxing is, what would Christmas be without a Supreme box logo? I copped one last year manually, and then this year I was able to go to the store. I don't know how I got like through with the reservation or the sign up, whatever it was called, but I got a very shitty time slot for Brooklyn. I got like 3:45ish. Sorry, but at least I met some cool guy named Brian online, and I was able to get the last XL that they had in the store, but sadly it was this like fluorescent pink. It's kind of funny because last year I copped the pink box logo, and this year I ended up copping the pink crew neck. Extremely sick. I do not see myself wearing this because this is so loud, and I'm honestly kind of getting sick and tired of Supreme, because that's what like every little kid is into now. Resale is crazy on this. Resale for this one was about like $1,000, and that was insane. But then, like, as you guys know, everyone's copying them, and then it restocked a couple times, so now resale is only going for like $700. But the green ones was crazy limited in store. It was the first color to sell out. If you guys got your hand on that, shout out to you. Retail on this was $158. like I said, last XL, not really a fan of this kind of stuff anymore. The 14-year-old me would have been so happy, but kind of over it now. I just want to get rid of this and cop like an ultimate grail. So hopefully I can do that, and then show that in the next video. But that's everything I caught for now. I just made a huge mess unboxing all of this. I guess I can sign out the video now by wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Just in case I don't upload, have a Happy New Year as well. And yeah, like and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys.